So this is Dr. Ramalingam from Hajipur. So I'm heading the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis as well as we are in the research of omics, like especially LC-HRMS based proteomics, which is used for direct target identification as well as biomarker discovery in collaboration with the clinicians as well as biological scientists. So currently the AI, for example, if you say the AI is writing manuscript now, you can find your article where that ChatGPT is one of the author. So it's growing that level, is equally contributing as a co-author like a human. And but in my context, I have a different opinion of others, because the artificial intelligence, it's of course it's a good platform, the computational platform, which can assist us and which can support us in kind of processing, analyzing a data, deciding our research directions and findings. But I feel whatever the case, drug discovery or research anywhere else, any artificial intelligence tools can be assistant to you, and we should be a boss. So again, I can say that if you ask me a question that sometime AI driven drug discovery research, I don't agree with the statement. AI cannot drive your pharmaceutical research. Only you have to drive. When you drive, it can be a conductor. Like you can say that left to right, only you can do the conductor role. It can also use be a driver role in your pharmaceutical research and drug discovery. Because the rational use of AI is very important in the drug discovery research. So the skills for the students, learning skills on AI is all fine. But only thing is that a student should be aware that where to use, when to use, how to use, and how to handle the AI. That is very important. It means that until and unless you become a boss for the research, you become the boss for AI, you cannot make AI to use in your drug discovery research. So rather see that there is a word, the current era is the completely a fight between a human and computer. So now if you open your system, the computer is asking you to validate you are a human. This is not a era, it's not a trend to be accepted. So what I believe is, it's fine. AI obviously can be a wonderful tool in your drug discovery or pharmaceutical research, whatever the applications. But I don't think so it can be the whole. But when you go for right now in the case of rare diseases, like obviously until and unless we identify some drug target, it is difficult for us to go for drug discovery. So we can use. But the rational use is very important. That is what I can say from my end.